Welcome back to another walk around and test drive video at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, in the Chevelle is my father Chad, and today we're gonna check out, then test drive this big block 1970 Chevelle. This is a pretty sweet car. That's the radio hooked up. All right, connected to my phone. Just test the bass out. It's got a really nice sound system. Brant went ahead, we did all new SS, dash, replaced all that with new lenses and bezels, got the radio.
We probably spent about 2 or 3 weeks on this car. I know 4 days just on the dash alone, had everything gutted, all new gauges. The original SS gauges that came in it were just wore out, the bezel and stuff. So we went ahead and put all that stuff new in it, got the Tach and all that working properly.
Brand new retro sound radio, just a lot of work, but it's a really neat car, new wheels and tires. Underneath the hood, we got a 454 cubic inch big block. 4-barrel carb, it's got headers, power brakes, power steering. It was a factory air carb, but most of those air components are now missing.
Great sounding big block, isn't it?
But the best part of this car is the undercarriage. Just all original floors. Still see some of the red oxy primer on that. Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com, and check out that undercarriage. Not too many Chevelles still have as clean original floors like this one does.
Yeah, right, Dalton. That's my favorite part on the car. What do you think of the color combination? I'll tell you what, we've looked at this thing for the last month while we've been restoring stuff on it, and now that we put the brand new wheels and tires on it, to me, it's just got the total package.
Yeah, I really like it. It's different than every other Chevelle out there that's black or red or blue.
Yeah, that hug orange paint just looks great. Now, the paint was done a few years back, but still very, very nice. It's got a few little chips, we'll point out, but the front bumper, grille, headlights, surround is all beautiful. Bumpers are brand new. Gap on the hood clears nicely. It's a little bit tighter in the back on this side than it is in the front, but not bad at all. Again, another nice tight gap here all the way front to back. Back of the hood lines up nicely. Love the white stripes, raised white letter tires. Tires and wheels are brand new, as I mentioned before. Tell right there, it's got just a little chip in the clear coat. Bottom of the front fender rocker panel is all in great shape. Over the wheel well is excellent. It's got brand new mirrors. Disc brakes up front. Original door handle still. Nice and tight though, isn't it? Door jamb paint all looks good.
Yeah, super solid. All the rocker, corners of the doors, all that's awesome.
Headliner's all original, so it's got a couple little spots with a little tape in the headliner, like right here, right back there. But nice thing is it's all original. Dome light works, visors are nice and tight. As far as the dash goes, all new bezels, all new wiring back there, new steering wheel, new dash pad, door panels are excellent, door rubbers are new. Corner of the door paint is excellent here too. Like I said, rust-free doors on this one. Console and trim and stuff's all been replaced as well. Chrome around the seats is excellent. Another thing, the bottom of the door fits really nicely there. As far as inside the trunk jam, the paint's excellent there as well. It's got the spare and everything. We got also got the little cover for the radio. It's got the Super Sport floor mats still in here. And it does come with a brand new headliner and new rear sails, Dalton.
Nice.
Yep. Like I said,
Trunk
super solid. I mean, there's no rust underneath this thing at all. Over the wheel well is excellent.
I like your choice of wheels and tires too.
Yeah, they really look nice on there, and the size is perfect. 255 60/15s. Now, on the driver's side, there's a couple chips here that need to be touched up right along here. And 2 little chips on the very top edge of the rocker right there. Other than that, bottom of the fender is excellent. Back of the hood lines up good as well. New mirrors, both sides. Corner of the door has never been touched. Just a beautiful driver. You can take this to any of your local car show, win a trophy, but it's an awesome driver, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Inside the door jams, paint's all excellent in there as well. Seat looks great, and it's got the correct matching 70 seats.
Yep.
So many times people just go ahead and put a 71 seat cover or something like that, but this has definitely got the pattern front and back. It's all correct.
Like I said, all the gauges and bezel, that's all brand new. Looks really good. Horn works. Brent went through and upgraded this so you can charge your, some of the old original ones you can't, but he upgraded the little cigarette lighter so you can charge your phone. Retro sound radio works awesome. It's got Bluetooth and aux.
Heater fan works and all switches and stuff, doesn't it? Factory Tach works. This thing sounds good.
Yeah, it does. Radio works, as you heard in the beginning of the video, and now.
Heater and wipers work too. Dash lights all work. Dome light works. As I mentioned, had just that one little spot in that headliner.
Yep.
Looks like it had a little hole there that they taped. Under the visors is perfect still. It's also with a radio. You got a little Bluetooth thing right here too if you want to talk while you're driving.
Yeah, it's just got so much torque too. It's gonna be a fun car to drive,
doesn't it? Brandt's got it all tuned up. I noticed one thing. For some reason, they didn't have the kickdown hooked up, so I noticed that. So we'll have to get that hooked up. It's got a great idle, don't it?
It does.
Turning the indicators. I mean, that's why we did all this, but it is expensive. Not just the parts alone. The parts are $1,200 for everything and wiring. But I bet 3 or 4 days in labor just doing it.
But it makes it nice because when you're driving the car, that's what you're looking at.
Exactly.
Well, with the high dollar retro sound, that looks real nice.
And like I said, he got that idle just absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it puts you right back in the seat.
Tons of pull, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, this thing just hooks and goes. Our brakes are absolutely perfect. No pull left or right. The steering's straight.
And just the handling from the little bit that I drove this car, I just love the way it handled, how the suspension felt. Of course, the power brakes work really well. Just a fun car to drive. Really nice shifts.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
So I never got out of second gear there. I just kept it right in second gear, and I wasn't even pushing. We were probably doing this. The gears in this rear end could definitely be changed up if you want to really make a hot rod. But this thing is perfect for going down the road.
Yeah.
There's third gear right there.
I know. I like kind of these highway gears. Downshift to second, back up to third.
I mean, you're hardly pushing any RPM at all.
Yeah.
But if you want a driver, this thing's set up just absolutely perfect for that. You still have all the power. We'll get that kickdown hooked up. Gas gauge works as well. It does have an aftermarket oil pressure gauge down here. And going at an idle, we're at 55 pounds of pressure. It goes right up after that. So
nice. Yeah, really good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.